So what we got here is the Fiat Tarraco 2020, and what we've installed is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser on this. So as you can see, if you turn the vehicle on, it will turn off. So you cannot drive it without the code. So what you gotta do, you need to enter the code to be able to drive it. So set to a demo button at the moment. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, the 2 indicator flashes. They let you know that the code is accepted. And now we need to turn the vehicle on, and it will not turn off now. And you can put it into gear. So if you want the Ghost 2 installed on your Fiat Tarraco, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.